welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to show you and prepare delicious, cheesy stuffed poblano chiles in this delicious red tomato sauce that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting nice and roasted are chiles poblanos. Let me tell you, right on top of the flame, we are going to roast them. Here I have one chile serrano, one onion cut in half, 3 tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 2 cups of boiling water, and that's going to be the sauce. And here my chiles poblanos are getting nice and roasted. The flavor, the aroma, just amazing. Have ready a plastic bag so that they start getting nice and soft. And it is easy to remove the skin when you add them into the little plastic bag. And of course, the cheese is going to be queso fresco. This is how to remove the skin from your chiles poblanos with the same knife that you are going to use to cut in the middle of each one and remove the seeds. Look how easy it is to remove the skin. Beautiful family, once you make this amazing chile relleno stuffed with queso fresco, you are going to love this recipe. Carefully remove all the seeds, and I am ready to start filling and being very generous with the queso fresco. Look at this. Slice, cut the seeds with your fingers, get all the seeds out, and then you're ready to fill every single one. Remember, the sauce we already made. Once you put the cheese inside, dry them really good. Transfer them to a plate, add a little bit of all-purpose flour. This is going to help the egg stick into your chile poblanos. Look how easy it is. Let me tell you, this chile rellenos come out so delicious and amazing. And remember, when you make them at home, you really stuff them with the type of cheese that you like. I am going to use 5 room temperature eggs, being very careful that I don't explode the yolk. And once I remove the yolk, I am ready to mix and get nice and fluffy the egg whites. This is going to take about 5 minutes, but that's okay. Let me tell you, once it's nice and fluffy, you're going to add your yolks. And on the stove, I have a pan with vegetable oil getting nice and hot. And now I am ready to cover completely the chiles poblanos. Look how easy it is to make them at home, to enjoy them with your beautiful family. Make sure that you have a plate with some napkins to take the excessive oil out when they're nice and golden brown. Let me tell you, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. Don't overcrowd your pan. Add 2 at a time, and then you're ready to flip. Look how beautiful this looks. Oh my gosh. And the filling, just amazing. Oops. Now I'm just going to leave it for another 2 minutes, and then I'm ready to lay it on top of some napkins and take the excessive oil out. I'm going to continue with the rest, but I want to show you the process, show you how easy it is to prepare this at home. Enjoy it with your beautiful family. The tomato sauce was so easy to prepare. You throw everything into your blender, and then you're ready to cook it before you add your chile rellenos. Okay, if you have cheese left over, make little circles of the egg, add a little bit of cheese, and you have tortitas de queso. On the pan, I added a little bit of vegetable oil. I added half an onion. I want it nice and caramelized. And now I am ready to add the sauce, the tomato sauce. I'm going to cook it in medium-low heat for about 5 minutes so it could thicken up. I'm going to taste it to see if I need to add any more salt or chicken bouillon. To my taste, this is perfect. Now I am ready to add my chile rellenos. Look at this. I love adding all the chile rellenos into the pan, but I'm going to leave one out for the presentation. But let me tell you, cook them in this amazing sauce for about 4 minutes, medium high heat. And now this is the presentation plate. And if you got to this part of the video, you love chile rellenos like I do, like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I want to show you the inside. I want to show you how stuffed it is with cheese. You decide what type of cheese you want to add into your chile relleno. And now I am ready to enjoy, ready to dig in, and my home smells amazing. I hope, my friends, you make it and you enjoy it with your beautiful family. And of course, be generous with your cheese. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. Enjoy it with the white rice. Enjoy it with tortillas. Enjoy it with the Mexican red rice. I'll see you in just a little bit. Friends, I am completely done with this amazing stuffed poblano pepper with cheese. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. And I'm going to enjoy with the tortilla. Excuse me. Nice and cheesy. Excuse me. So delicious. If you like and love this amazing stuffed chile relleno, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing stuffed chile relleno with cheese. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.